report tip of the day. Did you find your dream property? Well, luxury real estate approvals are driven less by desire and more by how your credit profile performs under scrutiny. Whether purchasing as a member of the diaspora, planning for retirement, or reaching for a dream property that feels just beyond your grasp, lenders assess risk differently in each scenario. They examine credit depth, payment consistency, debt exposure, income durability, and overall financial discipline. Strong earnings alone are never enough. Lenders want to see stability, restraint, and a well-documented credit history that supports long-term ownership. When your credit report tells a calm, credible story, luxury property becomes a strategic decision, not a long shot.